Now we're ready to outline it in ink. I'm going to grab my ink pen here. This is a felt tip ink pen. They dry pretty quick. I like using these because they dry so quick, I don't have to worry so much about my ink smearing or smudging. Do the eyes. Two little dots for the nose. A little smiley face because he came in peace. And we'll move on to the neck. Add a little bump for the shoulder. Those thicker forearms with that line overlapping just a little bit. And right here is a little underarm. Jump back up here to this thumb and the fingers. Now I'm going to jump over here to this hand. A friend of mine believes in aliens. I don't know if you guys believe in aliens, but I always call them aliens. And he always gets really irritated when I call them aliens. Let's jump down to this forearm, overlapping this line just a little. And connecting up to the armpit and to the shoulders. Go down the body and make his legs a little bit thinner. Give him a big knobby knee. And then his big alien toes. This one we're going to put a little line right on top. Let's do the rest over here on this side. A little bit skinnier. And then watch right here. I'm going to put that little bone on his ankle. Wrap that around to that big long toe. Now I'm just going to add a couple more little lines like that. Now I'm just going to add a couple little spots on his eyes before we color it all in. Do one down here. Now I'm going to get a thicker marker and color it all in. We'll probably fast forward through this a little bit. Now I'm not sure which kind of markers you guys are using. So when you get done with all of your line work and your ink, make sure you step away for a few minutes to let it dry, because once you start shading or erasing, you could smudge your work. All right. Now one last thing I like to do is I like to outline. You've been here a while, you know, you've watched a lot of my videos. I like to outline just the silhouette, make it a little bit thicker. This is called line weight. Just makes the character stand out a little bit. Only the inside lines will be thin. All right, now I'm going to rotate my paper so I can get a better angle at this. Sometimes it's hard drawing for the camera. You guys know this. I'm sure you rotate your paper around. Let's see. And also you can see how this arm is a little bit wobbly there. When you go over with a thicker pen, it helps you fix any of those little mistakes you made. All right, now we'll do the head. And like I said, this helps me fix that little squiggly line that I had there. All right, now we just need to erase our guidelines and we're ready to add some shading. Wait, I think we forgot this part of the arm. There we go. I think we got it all now. Remember to give yourself enough time to let your ink dry so you don't smudge it. My eraser is really putting in work today. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my pencil and using the side of it, I'm going to start adding some shading. But I'm just going to shade on the left side and the bottom of my alien's face and body. I'll do it a little bit lighter here so it kind of blends. And then right under, our light source is coming from up over here. So it's going to be darker under his head. And then, like I said, just the left side. The left side and the bottom. So we'll do the bottom of his thumb. And then the left side of his forearm. Go under here. I'm going to do a little bit right here. That's going to be his chest. And then kind of this little triangle like that. That's going to be his ribs. Our little alien's hungry. He traveled a long way looking for some food. But hopefully we're not food. He came in peace, so he's not coming to eat us. Maybe he's a vegetarian or something. I'm going to shade down the leg, just on the left side. We'll do it again over here. And then we're going to use our magic blending stump, like we always do, to touch up the shading a little bit. Now I know this is the right side of the arm, but it's kind of on the bottom too, so we're going to shade that. Okay. Now I'm going to grab my blending stump. You can see it's real dirty. That's good. I want it to be, that's got a lot of graphite already on it. I'm going to push harder on the left-hand side. And then kind of go quicker and not as much pressure as we come in here towards the inside of the face. That's kind of how you blend it and make it kind of smooth. But we're just blending it all together so it doesn't look so grainy. Do a little bit here. Down his legs, push real hard on the left, and then lighter and lighter towards the center. Up his arms, and a little bit on his fingers. All right, now I'm going to use the leftover graphite that's on my blending stump and add a little bit of shadow on the ground. And the shadow is going to come this way a little bit. Our light source is coming from this direction, so it's going to cast a shadow to the left. It's going to be pretty light. We don't need a lot of detail, but something like that. Now, if you wanted to get really fancy, you could add some little spots on our alien. All over his head. Maybe there will be a big one right here. And a couple smaller ones. You can put some on his body as well. Put as many as you want. Just add some extra texture to our alien. All right, there you go. That's how you draw a cute little alien. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.